how to turn off page you manage edits to your comments notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage edits to your comments notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click notifications, and now click this one, page you manage, and then select your page and go down, click page interactions, and here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.